Hi guys, it's Trisha, CEO of Girl Friday. So, if you're a startup business, instead of wondering how you start up, you can access Girl Friday services. We are award winner and we can help you start up your business. So, you can access at Girl Friday many startup businesses that we have because we cater for you. If you prefer listening about startup information, how to start up a business in the comfort of your home or walking outside and going with your headphone on and listening to some podcast about starting a business, and about how when you start, you have to start your marketing too. You have access to 3 years of podcast, topical, speaking to you about business and marketing, how it is important. We also offer you for your startup business planning. A business plan is your plan to success, is your pin to success. Because, listen up, preparation is a key to elevation. Therefore, if you put all your ideas in a business plan, you're more likely to succeed. And if you put your first marketing campaign in a marketing plan, that spurs you to do better and you will achieve better. You will start your business the right way. We have also, for startup business, if you go on girlfridays.com, we have our startup fact sheet who tells you about how to register your business in the UK and what to do. Did you know that you are allowed to try out before you register? Meaning the government lets you try, access, sell your services or product for 3 months before you register your business. This is good if you're a bit undecisive and you want to try out your old jobs. But then again, if you do a business plan from the start and your pestle analysis, because there's new leadership in the UK right about now, you will need to include that in your pestle analysis and your pest analysis. Well, if you don't know how to do those plans, including your business plan, because your pestle analysis result need to be in your business plan. It's part of its criteria. But if you don't know how to do this whatsoever, well, call the expert. Because at Girl Friday, we can do this for you, start a business. We have our customer in mind. And if you are a startup who love reading business books and say to themselves that reading business book is so important for me, it keeps me educated and sharp, well, you have access to La Boutique. La Boutique is Girl Friday online store where you can find business and marketing ebook and books for business growth, startup or growth. And La Boutique is organized, meaning when you access La Boutique, you have various categories. You have the starter business category, you have the business growth category, you have our courses category, and you have our marketing book category. So therefore, you can find the title that you need at every stage of your business where you are at. This is all the service that we offer to startup, including our business tool. Only £7.84 per month to access our business tool. Let me give you one business tool which is exactly very good for startup when you try out your business and you don't quite know which audience you can access. Meaning you started your business and you at home and you an hairdresser. You doing people hair. Yeah? And you charging your price. But you don't really know how much to charge. Well, you use our calculator called Lucky. Lucky is your estimator for price and charging your customer. So you will put the money that you want to charge for doing hair. Let's say £30 a head. I wouldn't know what that for, but let's say to style your hair, styling it costs about £10. To wash your hair, plus doing the style and the combing and the brushing, all that is £30. Your startup, you're working from home and you're doing hairdressing at home. So you use Lucky. You put in Lucky £30, how much you charge. You put the week you started, because Lucky is my calculator per week. So you put the week that you started. So if it was at the beginning of the week, you put the date of the Monday you started. Yeah. Lucky asks you how many days you are working and how many hours during the day. Meaning, it takes into account how many customers you see during the day, how many eggs you do during the day. You put that in the calculator and Lucky will tell you, if you press calculate and you insert all the data that I put there, and Lucky will tell you how much money you made for the day and how much tax is associated with that money that you need to pay the government. So therefore, it's a real help for startup business to know how much to charge to be in profit. Yeah, because Lucky also asks you to put your expenses. Yeah, income and expenses. So it will deduct your income and your expenses, and that's your profit. That's what the calculator will do for you. So it will tell you if you are in a profit position or if you're in a loss position straight away at startup. You see, that's real help for startup. Then when you start, you have that calculator to help you. So it's a wide range of services that we offer to startup businesses. Access Girl Friday if you start up your business through debt.